Okay, so this was our lovely home for the night, and we are again set to leave, and the time right now is 11:19 a.m. in the morning, and we are going towards Doars, that is Rataguri. Okay guys, see you on the roads. We are already quite behind the schedule, and this place is called Sunakhari Homestay. I have given a dedicated video of this place in my channel, so yeah, give it a view. It's a really lovely place. Goodbye, see you on the road. Time to say goodbye to this lovely place. Not a problem, more adventures to come. I know GoPro is not doing a justice, but it's really so steep, man. It's like 45 degrees. Okay, so we have come to that point. From here, if you go towards that side, it will take you to Sukhia, and we need to take the left turn because we are going towards Mirik. So this road goes towards Mirik. And from here, that homestay was around 4 kilometers. So we have already covered 4 kilometers distance, and now we are going towards Mirik. So we are in Mirik. I love Mirik. I love hills. Okay, so just had a cup of tea and a plate of momo from this tea joint, and we've already crossed Mirik and heading towards Siliguri. And what a lovely view. Malason Beach. Finally we are out of the hills, and what a lovely view it is. Okay, so we are again back in Siliguri, and now it's time to head towards jungle, from the hills to the forest. Okay, so just took a 10 minutes break at this petrol pump, and it is on the Shevak Road, and the time right now is 2:02 PM, and we are already on the Shevak Road, and I need to refuel, but there is no petrol in this bunk. So what I am planning is to fill it somewhere nearby ahead. Let's go. I have already ran like 6.5 kilometers in the reserve, and I can go easily around 80 kilometers, so it's not going to be a huge problem. Actually, if I don't refuel, I'd reach easily, but I don't want to be in a place in the middle of the jungle with no fuel in my bike, you know. That will be the worst ever scenario. So we are back in the Coronation Beach. Okay, so lunch done from this place, Momo and Typo, and the time right now is 3:07 PM, and this is the same place where we halted last time in the month of August when we were going towards Rocky Island. So yeah, that's it. See you guys on the road. Okay, so just got refueled from this pump, and I'm all good to go. Okay, this place is known as Mal Bazaar. Mal Bazaar, and Chalsa is more like 10-12 kilometers. Okay, so this is Chalsa. This is Chalsa, and this is Chalsa Mode that we have just crossed, and we have taken the right turn, and Lataguri is more 20 kilometers. And if we go towards back side, that means instead of taking the right, if we have taken the left, then we have reached Rocky Island. भैया क्या हो रहा है अभी? ओके, okay, so there is an elephant. I don't know whether it's a myth or not, but people are saying that this temple, the place over there, is worshipped by the elephants. I don't know how much it's true, but there was an elephant there, and they were telling that many powerful people tried to build a temple over here, but every time they build one, the elephant destroyed it, and yeah, that's it. So now we said we can